In just 10 minutes, you'll be able to read and write in Hangul, and you'll be amazed at how brilliant and unique it is. If you've never learned Hangul before, just give it 10 minutes. You'll see how simple it is. Even if you already know Hangul, this video will give you a whole new appreciation for how scientific and innovative it is. It's the only writing system in the world with its purpose and method of creation fully documented in a book. In the introduction to Hun Minjeongum, it says, "A wise person can learn it before the morning is over, and even a simple person can learn it in 10 days. Hangul is so simple and logical, you can learn it in just 10 minutes and be able to read and write it in a day. By the time you finish this, you'll see just how efficient and amazing Hangul really is. So, are you ready?